Hello, welcome in. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I am a photographer based in Texas, and I like to do little edit with me's. I create presets, I offer mentorships, and I just create cool things in general related to the photography business. So today I have a cost of doing business calculator. I have worked on this for a while. This is going to go over all of your expenses, both monthly and annually. Anything annually put in here, it's going to automatically convert it to monthly. So you don't have to worry about that, and it's going to kick out a nice little monthly expense for you once you have put in all of your stuff. I try to keep it as simplified as possible and just easy to use, really. So down here, we've got our session time converter. So if you do like an hour session, you put that in there, it's going to kick over. Right here, it's going to say 1. Okay, so if we wanted to do a 15-minute session, it's going to be 0.25. We're going to keep this as the 45-minute session. So it's going to automatically kick this out, the 0.75. This 0.75 is going to come up here. And then you can put in your session price that you currently charge and about how many hours it takes you to edit one of those sessions. Kind of come in here, change this, you can change that. I would not change anything that is a highlighted box. This is a gray color, like all of these little colored ones. The only colored box that you should be able to put anything in is going to be this box right here, but that's because you need to put your minutes. I only highlighted it blue so you don't forget about it down at the bottom. You can come in here, you can put your session price and your editing time, and it's going to kick out a cute little number for you, and it's going to say, hey, this is about how much you get paid hourly. Let's move down here. This is going to be sessions needed to cover expenses. Now, I will let you know, up here in these little black boxes, I would not do anything to these black boxes because I have stuff added in these black boxes to help with getting stuff populated. So I would not mess with these boxes at all. Just forewarning. So anyways, so it's going to take your rounded expenses, which is this number right here, and it's just going to round it to a pretty whole number. Your session price, which it takes from up here. So if you were to, change this to 256, it's going to say 256. So, and then your sessions needed, that is automatically going to be populated. This whole thing is just populated with the information that you put in here. So if I am charging $250 for a session and my monthly expenses is $289, I need to be doing 2 sessions a month at least to cover my costs. Now down on this box, this one's more so of like, do you want to make profit? When you're just starting off, you want to make sure that you're just covering your expenses. You're brand new, you don't know what to charge. That's going to help you. This box down here is you've probably been doing it for a while, or maybe you're ready to increase your prices and you just don't know how. This is going to help you out. This is your desired pay. This is a monthly thing. I might put this in here so that people understand that this is a desired monthly pay. So if I wanted to be making $1,000 a month and my session price is $250, now it's automatically populating from this $250 up here, so keep that in mind. It's going to kick out this number right here and tell me I need 4 sessions each month to make $1,000. Alrighty guys, I've got it now. So basically, okay, so if you want to be making $1,000 and your session price is $250, you're going to need 4 sessions to make that $1,000. Now, this is going to be your total profit. So I've gone ahead and included this $1,000 minus your rounded expenses. So I've gone ahead and I've subtracted the $289 for your rounded expenses from your desired monthly pay. So this is what your profit is going to look like. I really hope that this cost of doing business calculator is helpful to a lot of people out there. I had so many people praise this calculator because it's so simple and it does what you need it to do. Like I said, the color coding does not have to stay. You can color code it however you want. This was just easier for my eyes to look at, so I'm going to go ahead and pop off of here. I will see you guys in the next one, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.